Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope everything is fine. So the link I have shared just for you to practice some of the tools which is connected to the AI, artificial intelligence, regarding your studies. So simply what you have to do is just like click on that link, and this is the main page you see. Just you have to enter your name. Just like for example, I'm going to enter about like for example, my name is there, and you have to join the room. So if you have sometime issues regarding the entering into the room, so please let me know. So over there, please read this one out. So this is a teacher can see your activity, magic scores, math answers are not reliable, so there are some other tools that's related to the maths, so you can actually check your answers, or you can ask it that how it works. So interacting with an AI take practice, so be clear and specify about what you need. So so it is very much to the student related, like not as generic as of chat gpts and llama and many other things that are working out there. So in here they are very much precise one, and not give you a broad picture of that thing. Like if you're using the chat gpt or some other AI tool, so you will see it have a lot of information. So a lot of information is very hard to find the original topic in it. So let's see how it works. I acknowledge. So book suggestions is just like really one of the tool that I love it, because some of the time if I need a book to read it, like specifically the computer science or some other topics that needed to be explained further, so it will give me some of the suggestions. And the coding assistant, the assistant is just going to help you out regarding the coding in your programming, like in the next paper you know about it, in paper number 2. So in paper number 2 have some of the portion that is the programming is an optional. That is the last question, that is about the scenario based question, that they will give you an option that you can use the programming code in it. Otherwise, if you just know about the pseudocode, that's fine. Custom chatbot, you can interact with it, you can ask many questions regarding to your topics, regarding the subjects and many other things there. Email responders, if you are like communicating the emails to some of the universities or some of the institutes outside, so how can you respond them back with the proper prompts? And email writer, of course, if you want to ask some of the query. So many students hesitate, sir, how do I write an email? This is related to the English, and hopefully you all know very well the structure of the email, how it works. So if you don't know it, so it will generate a professional email to the teachers, the peers, or the high ups, or some of the principals, wherever you want, if you have a query or something like that. So math review is there. Math review means that it will ask generate like review questions to improve your math skill and understanding. So that's one of the most, I love this tool, that is a quiz me. So I will, like most of the times I upload my slides over there, and I will keep asking the questions, so they will give me the options over there, and they will check my answer. Like for example, if like for example the computer understands only the binary language, so is it the true, it's false, it is like they will give you many options, and if you check one of the option like a b c d whatever they are, so when you click on that thing, you just type it a, so if your answer is matched, so they will give you the some of the prompts like very good, excellent, and if not, so it will give you the explanation why your answer was wrong. And the standards based chat, so standard ask about the question, summarize it. Some of the answers, they are really very long, so you have to just give them and summarize it. And some of you are using the YouTube for your concepts for your learning, so there is a lot of irrelevant questions, and just you wanted that now I want to summarize it so I can use for my notes, so you can use this one. Just like I'm just using a quickest me. So you just have to see this one. So what are you using for? Like for example, if you're using for the SAT, or you're using for your IGCSE, or you're using for your paper, if you just give them the just attach, if you click on attachments, you see that you can upload the file actually for the PDF, docx, ppds, or images. So if you have the online link, a YouTube video, even it can work over there. So I'm going to upload some of the files. So I have the many files over there. I'm going to choose one of the files. If I see the files are there, let me check about it. Maybe I have some of the units here. This is your course, and I'm going to work with the lectures. Okay, so I'm going to work with the chapter number 1. So the chapter number 1, I'm going to add it. You can open the multiple files in it. So I'm going to open it and generate. So it's going to generate about the quiz me, and it will give the questions. C check. So it will ask me that please hello, I'm here this one. So fill in the blanks, and the binary system is selected as a method. So for the computer represent any type of the data, because computer consists of millions of tiny switches either or. So you can just have to answer it. Please provide your answer. So just write your answer in it. Like for example, binary system is selected as a method of computers. It's represent entire. Yes, computer understands. Like I'm just going to write a simple one. Computer only process data that is in binary. That means it's may it uses one or zero, where one means on bit and zero means off bit. So here now they are giving me that's correct, because let's fill in the blank. Now next question is there. So which of the following is a correct priority to representation of the Danny number 13? So which one is there? You have to calculate and do it. So I'm going further. So you can use these methods to improve and enhance your skills, and inshallah you will do better. Good luck.